lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much for supporting me. In today's video, I'll be showing you a K-tip hair installation, also known as a keratin bond install. But first, let's unbox this package from CurlsQueen. In the package, we have a pouch with some safety and warranty notes. We also have a bonnet. It's reversible and it's satin. And there are some Velcro patches as well to hold your hair whenever you're sectioning it to put the K-tips on. There's also a rat tail comb, and we have a hairbrush. It's good for detangling. And lastly, we have some extra keratin bonds, just in case you need to use them. In the box, we also have this heating tool, and this will be used to bond your hair to the K-tips. Now for the star of the show, this is the K-tips we'll be using. It's the light Yaki, and it's 16 inches long. This is 100% Premium Remy Human Hair. With proper care, these extensions can last anywhere from 6 to 12 months. And they're made with hypoallergenic Italian keratin for a secure yet comfortable bond that will protect your natural hair. This texture is perfect if you love a natural, relaxed look. But before I install the tips, I am gonna flat iron my natural hair. After installing the K-tips, I won't be able to put the flat iron at the root of my hair because I don't want it to melt the bonds off. So I want to ensure that I get it as flat as possible before.
Sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me.
Now that I'm through flat ironing the hair, I'm gonna section it. I was a little bit torn with doing a center part or a side part. I accidentally cut the center of my hair, so there's not much I have working with, but I'm still gonna try and do the center part because I'm not really feeling a side part these days. And back then I used to be a side part girly. I don't know when and how I changed, but I just love me a center part. I want to leave out as much hair as I can, but not too much, because I want to have my hair in a ponytail and not have the bonds be showing. So if you have thin hair, you want to be mindful of that. This is the amount I'm going to have to install the K-tips on. And proper sectioning is very important with K-tip installs because it helps the hair lay flat and last longer. It also prevents unnecessary tension on the natural hair when done properly. This could have been a smaller part, but you know, it worked out in the end. So I took a small section and I am going to place the K-tip bond. I did mine on top. And then I'm going to use my heating tool to gently melt the keratin and roll it between my fingers to secure the bond. I started out using a glove, but this is one of the gloves I got when I bought the flat iron. So, you know, it should be good with the heat. But it was a little bit awkward, so I took off the glove and just used my bare fingers because it wasn't that hot. And this is by no means me encouraging you to use your bare fingers. But you want the bond to be firm, smooth, and not bulky so it blends seamlessly. This was my first time ever doing something like this, so you know, it took me a while to kind of warm up, but once I did a few, you know, I was good to go. As you can see, I'm working in small sections throughout my head, and this helps to create a full look while still keeping the install lightweight and comfortable. I'm using 200 grams of hair, so I'll be putting in all 200 grams to get that look. One thing I love about CurlsQueen Yaki Light is how realistic they look and feel, and it blends beautifully with my natural hair. So it's not too bulky or anything, it just gives the look that it's my hair.
Sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times
I keep the heating tool on the hair for about 3 to 5 seconds before removing it.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know.
This look takes time, but it's so worth it. That's a plus. It is so worth it. Like, it's one of the best installs I've done in a while. I'm gonna go in and style the hair to blend everything together. This step is crucial as it brings the entire look to life and it shows you how seamless the install can be. But I'm not gonna lie, I was a little worried with my center part here because as you can see, my hair is very short there. So what I did was to attach the K-tips a little closer to the scalp there because I didn't want it to be too far off and then the hair wasn't enough to cover it. I'm using a wax stick to help with the blend and I'm using the flat iron to straighten the hair. I will only apply the flat iron to the ends really and not to the root like I explained earlier. With the hot comb, I'm mainly applying it to my natural hair. I don't have any K-tips up top here, so that should be good. After smoothing and blending everything, I tied it a bit with a scarf and then I removed it. So after applying the heat and then tying it down, it kind of helped a lot with the blending process. And one thing I failed to mention earlier, when you're getting your hair prepped for the K-tip installation, do not apply oils to the root of your hair. After applying the K-tips, feel free to apply your oil as you normally would. And here is the finished look. The install is clean, natural, and effortless. And to add the cherry on top, I'm gonna do my edges. Nothing dramatic as usual, just some swoops at the sides here.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know. Let me know what you feel. It's hard for me to understand. So many things have taken place before this love affair began. But if you feel more like I feel, confusion can't get away. When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me.
I will have this hair linked in the description box below, so don't be afraid to go ahead and check it out. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!